American Rumba, open circular walks. Quick, quick, slow, 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 quick and quick, slow, quick and quick, slow. So how to do this step? So we start with the regular box, quick, quick, slow, then followed by underarm turn, but here we try to keep this hand connected. Quick, quick, slow. From here we're walking around each other, quick, quick, slow. One more, quick, quick, slow. From here, for the leaders, you're going to be check forward walk. For the ladies, you're going to have a exiting from the turn. Quick, quick, slow. From here, we're doing New York into underarm turn. And then we start from very beginning.